All right, y'all. So, as promised, this is the Universal Kids Resort room hotel review. As I stated in my other video about the entire the park part of the resort, I wanted to give you guys a view of what the hotel lobby and Curiosity Cafe area look like. So, this is the hotel lobby. It is absolutely gorgeous and it's beautiful as well. If you guys want a faster version of this, I did upload another video that is just really quickly without the commentary, just music, and it's only 3 minutes. But they have a mini shop over there. It has shoes. It has all types of things in there that you may need. So I love that they have a little shop over there. There's restrooms to the right there. Then you go down this long, beautiful rainbow hallway. My daughter is just having so much fun. It is such a kid place, and most kids there, they were just in their kid world. The Curiosity Cafe is to the left, but I went over that in my last video that you can find on my page. So I cover everything about the Curiosity Cafe in that. But once you get off the elevator, every elevator has a different theme. So we got off on the 5th floor, which was the Shrek floor. They have a Trolls floor. They have all these different beautiful colors. This is the pool. This is the view. If you had a pool park view, that's what you'll see. So this first room is called the Signature Queen theme room. So this is what it would look like. The main thing that I want you all to remember about this room with the signature theme park view room is that it just has like a table, and I'll show you that. So that's the difference between the standard and the signature. It has this little nook area with the table. That's the only difference. But it had mostly all the rooms have bunk beds for the kids. I believe the standard queen has a bunk bed for the kids. So that's what this looks like. It's very clean because it's brand new. And it's really nice. So that's the upper part of the bunk bed area, and then it just kind of flows into where the master queen bed is, and it has nightstands on both sides, these very cute yellow lamps, and this curvature, which I saw another creator say that she started to see minion themes, like little hidden minions all over, which those curvatures. This is a theme park view, so this is what you'll be seeing if you are staying in this room, looking out the window. Again, Signature Queen theme park view. And they have these spacious drawers there, like standard, just wood finishes, and it's very pretty, very bright and colorful. Again, it's made for kids, and everything reminds you that you are in a kid world. So this is where you put your luggage. It has extra looks like blankets and pillows at the top there. It has a safe in there and a cooler as well for drinks and different things like that. So you can have that if you have to keep something cool. That's the television area, and as well as the just overall view. So this is what the room looks like if you were to be sitting on the bed there, and that's my daughter. Like I said before, the signature comes with this little nook and table area. So that's the main thing that I noticed that was different from the standard. So this is the family suite theme park view. There is somebody that asked which room holds 6. This is the room that could sleep up to 6. It's a theme park view. Again, you get this window, and this couch pulls out as a queen. I believe it's a queen size pull out. Either a queen or full size pull out, but 2 people can sleep there. And this is the master bedroom in that suite. And again, they have another window as well, and it is a theme park view. So this is the view from the window area, and it also has a separate closet for those that are sleeping in this room. They can have their privacy with the closed door if they needed it. And it also comes with a another what do you call that? Like a dresser area. So that's where you put your luggage. And again, you can put your stuff underneath there if you need to. It has a pillow and blanket up there, as well as, just your standard pillows and a separate television as well. So this room also provides privacy for anybody that needs it. So this is the view. If you were laying on the bed, this is your view. Okay. Again, you have that theme park view in the window as well. Okay, so we're going to walk out into the other side of this family suite where the bunk beds are. But again, this is where the pull out is. Just want to show you that. So this is where the bunk beds are. This is where other kids can sleep. Another 2 kids can probably sleep here and up here. And there's some storage at the bottom as well if they needed to store their luggage and hang their coats on the hooks on the top. Just a regular standard bathroom. It has white finishing and silver finishing as well, with Dove products all over. So you'll see Dove there and Dove here, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And you also, just a regular hotel room, but everything is super clean. Obviously, it's brand new and beautiful, very colorful. Even the lamp over there that's green, it's just very bright. All the colors are very bright and fun. Again, made for kids and families with small children. It also has another area over here for luggage or just storage. So that is also available as well if you need extra storage. So lots of storage in the family suite, but it absolutely does. There's a safe there as well if you needed that. This is my favorite room because I think it's just so cute, but it's a larger deluxe queen. I believe this one is called the Signature Deluxe Queen room, and it's on an angle, and which makes it a little bit larger. So as you can see, it has that table there, and it has the bunk beds right in the same room with it. It's a little bit larger than the other rooms, a little more spacious. It gives me like a studio apartment feel, honestly. And then it has a little bit more space when it comes to storage. And this is the standard storage area for all your luggage and your blankets and extra pillows at the top. And the bathroom has a little area where you can actually walk in instead of just everything being out. So that's also a little different than the standard. So yeah, just a regular, it has a regular bathroom and sink with Dove products as stated in the last video as well. And then again, just a lot of extra storage space. Very colorful, very bright. Everything is blue, yellows, your oranges. And yeah, so this is what you would see if you were laying on the bed. This is the view of it. And this bottom bed is actually a little bit bigger than the other one. As you can see, it's a little bit bigger. And it comes with the cooler in this room and a safe as well as in all the rooms. It has that nook with the table on to the left, and there's a safe for you. And a lot of different storage if you needed it. And the regular, it has these beautiful colorful little color pencils and paper. Again, kids stuff all over. Just fun. Just a fun place to escape adulting. I love the hallways. They are just so colorful. Everything in this hotel is just clean and colorful. Even walking down the hallway, you just feel like you're in a kid tunnel and world. So I hope that helps.